E-money right now.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Ateze TV. So guys, as you all know that today is Dr. E-Money's birthday. He's actually 44 years today. So in celebration of his birthday party, he gave out the villagers rice, gave them oil. You see some people with tomato paste, and they really prayed for him. They prayed for him. E-Money is a big name in the. But guys, do you know the one that shocked me the most was that he gifted so many celebrities cars. Like when you talk about cars, SUV and co. Celebrities like Iyeme Osita Iyeme, Chinedu Ikedize, and so many other celebrities which I can't mention their names. And tonight, the birthday celebration is holding on at their hometown, Ule, in Anambra State. So I'm wishing him a happy birthday, happy, wonderful birthday, E-Money. Wishing you a long life, prosperity in good health, many more years to celebrate. So guys, just stay calm and enjoy the rest of the video, and please don't forget to wish him a happy birthday in the comment section. And please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, comment, like and share to your loved ones. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.